Hello to my subscribers, viewers and would-be subscribers. I am Bonajasna Ganguly with Let's Do, and this time it is continuation for Cue Card Round. Speaking session, Cue Card Round. You have already seen person, place. This time it is for things. But before going ahead, let me remind you, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for notification, those who have not done yet. Now let's go ahead. It is things related topic. What topics come to it? Yes, it can be gifts. It can be gadget, any electronic gadget. It can be something you brought for somebody or you selected for somebody. Actually, these are the topics which have already come in this speaking round. So let's go ahead to deal with it. Now it's time to gather points to deal all things related topic. As my earlier videos, I helped you to solve those problems. This will also help you to solve all questions, whatever comes for your thing related topic. Whether come in part 1, part 2 or part 3, these vocabulary which I will help you and the points will surely help you to tackle it. Now, first thing, what comes to your mind? If you get something related to any topic saying that electronic gadget, gift, first thing will be name as usual. You have to select the name of that gadget, thing, whatever. Think it's about a gift, then you have to think the name of the gift, what you are planning to say. Next, how does it look? When you get a gift or you give a gift, you certainly go with the looks. So, how will you deal that looks? It looks simple or it looks aesthetic. It has a royal touch. It has an elegant look. Sometimes for mobiles or cell phone, you have it said it's sleek or it's trendy, it's stylish. All these words help you to give the look of that thing. Going ahead with the looks, we can talk about the size. What do we say for that? It's compact. It's jumbo size. It's small. It fits to whatever place you have decided. So it can be said that it fits to my bag. It fits to my wardrobe. It fits to my table. So it fits to that particular size. Or it can be, it's nano-sized. So these words can be used for size. Little ahead to it. I know this sounds very awkward for the gifts, but for other things you might be thinking of this point. That is cost. So how do you explain the cost of that thing? It can be costly, or it can be, if it's not very costly, then you can say it's affordable, or you can say it's expensive but it's worthy, or you can also say it fits to my budget. For things, isn't it that we talk about the utility of the thing? How do we use it? And how we are comfortable with that thing. So what do we say for that? Sometimes we say it's very complicated or sophisticated item. Or we say it's simple. It is based on very simple technology. We can operate it. Other word for this is user-friendly. Or it can be, it's not about the utility, but you can say that it's handy. So you can, whatever you want, you can do with that. Next, to carry that thing, what do we say? It's portable or it's fixed. It's very heavy, so we cannot move it. It's a stationary item. So these things, when we say, we are explaining some heavy things. But when it's quite lightweight and you can do whatever with it, we say it handy. To add on few more points, and if it is required, we can also talk about the after service of that product. How they do after service for it. You can talk about the guarantee period also. Whether it is use and throw type of item or it is durable. Have those points also fixed with you so that if required, you can use them. Now going ahead to it, you can definitely add advantage, disadvantage, who can use them, you recommend which age group to use them, and even you can also tell them that what are the precautions taken to use those things. Now it's time, let me show you a few examples which will help you to understand what type of question comes, and you'll see that whatever topics are as subheading, you can handle them because we have already dealt with it, at least with the explanation part. But if at all you are still worried, you can always have a chat section with us and we will help you. So let's move on to see the example. Gift related topic. A topic which you have dealt earlier, saying that you bought it for the house, or it can be you gifted somebody. This one topic can be you received a gift, one topic can be you gifted someone. There is another topic that a gift or an item which you brought for your house. Look at the subheading. I'm sure you can handle it. Now I feel you're pretty confident to handle all cue card round. I know you have already seen my person related cue card topic. If not, refer that video, and remember it has vocabulary with everything. Next it was for place related. It also has vocabulary. Don't miss it. If at all you have missed it, please go through them. You will really feel enriched. But if there is someone who has still not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon for notification on time, and yes, click the like icon if you have liked it, and I'm sure you liked it. Thank you very much for watching this video.